It's taken us 140 years to get to here, and this is an investment for the long-term future. There's two different parts to the project. There's the actual fabric and the change of the building, but for us in the library there is also 500,000 books to take out of the space that we'll be renovating, and that's not a small job at all. We'll be book cleaning, we'll be cataloguing, we'll be resizing, renumbering. It's a really big endeavour, but we know it's for the good of the collections, and we know that it will give us another 100 years. What this means for the future for all the people of Ireland is that the collections of greats like Yeats and Heaney and Joyce and the published legacies, so really the story of Ireland, every book that has been published in the state, that these will be safe for generations to come.